What's your name?
My name is Siri. What about you? What is your name?
My name is Timari from palecaca.com.
Did you say palecaca.com?
Yes, palecaca.com. In English, you can say pelekeke.com.
Okay, I will say it in English. palecaca.com.
Siri, how big is your bobot?
I don't know what that means. Would you like me to search the web?
No, thank you. It's okay. Bobot means vagina. Pussy, coco. Can you tell me why my coco is wet?
Your cocoa is wet. Probably because you watch too much porn, or you need some good Haitian zozo.
Hey! Gado téléphone qui pou vin pou tuer. Achou!
Bless you, Buzin. I think you payte. I smell something bad, like caca. Did you eat caca today? Because your breath smells like coco santé.
Siri, how do you say in Creole, lick my pussy?
Vinini chez coco.
Hey, how do you say, suck my zozo?
Vinini chez zozo.
Siri, do you like Tizozo?
Whoosh 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 whoosh. No, whoosh. I don't really like T-Zozo. They make me laugh. Ah 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 ha ha. Siri Blegro Zozo. Zozo with num. Zozo ki grow. Zozo ki long. Give me Zozo. I need grow Zozo.
Ouch, Siri, en parlant de zozo, ou fait tout coco m'a fait de l'eau.
Hello Buzin. Do you need Zozo today? What size of Zozo can you take in your cocoa? Would you like to search the web for some Zozo? Near you, we have multiple Haitian Zozo in Miami, New York, Brooklyn.
Whoosh, I hate this telephone. I'm gonna return you, baby. You a bitch.
I don't really care, because your father is a Mossy. Yes, he's a big-time Mossy. That's why you are a Buzin with a Coco Santé, and you are a Matty Bean.
Siri, what's your favorite sex position, eh?
I am only a phone. I should be asking you this question. Mossy, what's your favorite sex position?
I like everything. As long as it's coin, I like it. I like doggy style too.
Whoosh 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 whoosh. Coco T Marie Santi Caca.
That's it. Demain matin, bonnet ma fout tourner iPhone ça. Ma chère Siri la merde pour. Si nous aimez vidéo ça, montez sur facebook.com/palekakatv et puis tout album yon like.